Holly, the motivation there is something that became a big issue for the defense. They're saying, well, look, the defendant, Erica Stefanko, she moved on with her life. She remarried to Christopher Michael Stefanko, and that this man, Chad Cobb, sitting in prison, wasn't happy. I mean, in the recorded conversations that we heard between the defendant and her mother-in-law, you heard a lot of the problems in her relationship with Cobb. And so the defense is saying, well, he's sour grapes. He's upset. If he's going to go down, he wants to bring someone down with him. Your thoughts?
I definitely think that the passage of time between Chad Cobb being arrested and convicted, and also his revelation that he had an accomplice, that it was his wife, Erica, is a major, major problem for the prosecution. But when we combine that with the recording of Erica Stefanko, and I thought it was damning evidence yesterday, that recording that was introduced by Chad's mother, Cindy. That's definitely something that the jury is going to have to pay attention to. And I think the defense is going to have a hard time with that recording. I think we saw yesterday painstakingly defense counsel going through all the different parts of the recording that might have been helpful for his client, Erica. But there were many, many parts of that recording that were problematic for the defendant. And so I think it's a very good strategy to pin the blame on Chad as a controlling and protective man who punishes women that leave him, particularly Erica, for divorcing him several years after he was in prison. But I definitely think that she's going to have a hard time getting over some of the more damning portions of that recording.
I want to get into